Sir, up to this we covered about int data type, float and then complex. The next easy data type what we have to discuss is bool. Bool data types are bool means what? Boolean data type. Okay, I want to represent logical values, true, false, yes, no, is this list is empty or not. So is employee salary is 0 or not, or is it 10,000 or not, something like. I want to check yes or no, yes or no, true or false, to represent logical values. Then we require to go forward bool data type. Remember this. Next, do you know the only allowed values for boolean data type are true and false? Are you getting? True and false, only allowed values, right? Best example here also there is a small twist is there. Can you please tell, is it allowed value for boolean data type or not? Please confirm, true and false. These are allowed values for a boolean data type or not? Respond, man. Why you are silent? Is it allowed or not allowed? True or false? Is it allowed values for the boolean data type or not? Yes. The people who are telling yes, I will give left and right. These are allowed values for boolean data type in Java, in other languages, but not in Python. Remember this one. In Python, compulsory, sir, it should be true. Sir, T should be capital. Remember this one. Next, F should be capital. Okay, these are only allowed values for the boolean data type in Python, sir. T should be uppercase, F should be uppercase. By mistake, small true, small false, immediately error we are going to get. What is this true? Name error. I'm not finding this name, like it's going to raise the error, sir. Just observe carefully, right? So now, sir, here B is equal to true, I'm taking. Yes, acceptable because capital, acceptable. Now, what is the type of B? Now, what is the type we are going to get, sir? Boolean. Okay, like just have a look once, sir. Sir, now I'm taking B is equal to small true, I'm taking. B is equal to small true, I'm taking. Can you please tell, is it valid or invalid? Invalid. Small t is not allowed. Compulsory in Python. True means capital T. False means capital F. Okay. Have a look once. What is that error I'm getting? Name error. Name true is not defined. My Python virtual machine unable to identify this name true. Name true is not defined. Like that we are going to get the error, sir. Okay, well. Sir, now B is equal to capital true, I'm taking. Yes, perfectly valid. What is the type of B, sir? What the type of B? It's always what types are? Bool type. So, terminology is very clear for you people, right? Okay, well. Sir, now I have A is equal to 10 is there. B is equal to 20 is there. Now, sir, C is equal to A greater than B. So, can you please check, is A greater than B or not? Is A greater than B or not? 10 greater than 20 or not? No. That's why, what is the output we are going to get? What is the value stored inside C? False. Let me print C value. Let me print a C value. Okay. What is the answer we are going to get, sir? False. Let me print type of C. Type of C. It is the Boolean type. So, the value is the false. It is what types are? Boolean type. Any doubt? Are you in the position to understand, right? So, just observe carefully, right? Now, A is equal to 10, I'm taking. B is equal to 20, I'm taking. C is equal to A greater than B. A greater than B. Now, sir, let me print the value of C, sir. What is the value of C? False. F should be capital, of course. Now, what is the type of C, sir? What the type of C? If I can take a class bool, the type itself is nothing but what types are? Bool type. Now, it's a very clear for you people, right? Okay. Now I have one small doubt, sir, about this Boolean data type. One small doubt is there. Listen carefully, right? If I can ask, can you please print, okay, true plus true. What the answer? True plus true. What the answer? Next, print of true minus false. What the answer? Ayyo, respond. Arithmetic operations are performing between two Boolean values. True plus true. True minus false. What answer you are going to get now? Why you are silent? What the answer you are going to get now? True plus true. True minus false. So very simple, sir. Internally, this true and false represented as true. True means 1, false means 0, sir. Internally, true and false represented as 1, 0. That's why if you are performing arithmetic operations with the Boolean values, now the corresponding int values will come in the picture. Remember this one. Now true plus true. So 1 plus 1, its value is the 2, sir. 1 plus 1, the value is the true. Next 1 minus false means 0. 1 minus 0 means the value is 1. Are you getting? 1 minus 0, the value itself is what? 1. Remember this one. I hope not required to keep any explanation. Remember, very important point. True internally represented as 1, false internally represented as 0. So in our mathematics, in the Python, in mathematical operations, if you are using Boolean values, now these integral values will come in the picture. Are you getting right? Have a look. Next, print true into false. True into false. 1 into 0, its value is always what? 0 only. Let me check this one, sir. Here I'm taking print of true plus true. Print of true plus true. What is the answer? 2 itself is the answer. Print of true minus false. What about its value? 1. Because 1 minus 0, its value is the 1, sir. Print of true into false. I'm taking print of true into false. What is the answer, sir? 0, like this, right? Sir, in our next sessions also, several times we are going to use this point. Remember, internally true represented as 1, sir, false represented as 0. Clear for all of you, right? These are various important things you should aware about Boolean type. Sir, what are allowed values? Next, to represent logical values, we are going for Boolean data type. The allowed values are true and false. Compulsory T should be capital and F should be false. F should be capital. Next, internally, true and false represented as 1 and 0 in the mathematical operations. So their integral values 1 and 0 will come in the picture. Beyond that, nothing, sir. Slowly, while discussing operators, I will add extra masala about these things. Just aware.